couple of days with business, but shook it off, taking care of what I got to take care of, and hoping God provides the best. The way He's providing these spectacular sunrise. It's going to get hot really fast today. By 9-10 o'clock, it's going to be in the mid-80s, and that's when I'm heading back in. Anyway, that being said, thank you, God, for the sunrise. I ask God to help me keep my alertness, but don't be suspicious of people. You know, don't forget what I'm all about is giving people the benefit of the doubt and having a chance. And but for the chances that I've received in my lifetime, I wouldn't be here today. Fishing with you, God, with the sunrise, the calm wind, and everything that goes with it. So that's it for today. As far as the marine report, the water temperature on the surface coming out of the harbor is about 74 degrees. It's going to be warm. You know, it'll warm up later, but hoping to catch a little cooler water this time of day. It's 5:46 a.m. We're going to catch maybe 2 hours of the incoming, the slack, and maybe an hour of the outgoing, and that's about it. And that's it. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I got something to post today. This is Captain JoJo. I'll catch you later. I got a nice fluke here. This is a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. Let's measure her up. If I had the trolling motor, again, I could spot lock. Yeah. Okay. This is a really nice one. Let's measure this bad boy. Yeah, 21. Nice. Let's get another shot of that. That's a monster. Okay, it's Captain JoJo here, wrapping it up today. And it was a pretty good trip. Quality, not quantity. 3 Fluke, 2 18s, 21 I got on video. And not bad. I wanted to get in around now because it's getting really hot, and I don't have air conditioning on this boat. It's really, really hot. It's already 84 degrees, and it's not even 10 o'clock yet. It's like 9:45. So I got 4 hours in. I accomplished the goal. Now I got a lot of fish. I have a companion fluke for the other one that I have thrown out, and we'll do something. And that's it. This is Captain JoJo saying, God bless our abundance, and I'll catch you later.